An unfamiliar silence has descended upon the world. There is no longer the buzzing of bees among the flowers, not a single fly upon a window pane. People rejoice at the cleanliness, but farmers watch in horror. Flowering trees stand in tomb-like silence, with no one to pollinate them. Following the pollinators, the birds perish. The forest transforms into a silent cathedral, where only the rustle of leaves can be heard. Underfoot, the world is dying. Leaves and branches lie like an untouched carpet, for there is no one to break them down. Water blooms and dies. Without the larvae of dragonflies and mayflies, rivers coat themselves in thick slime, dooming the fish within. Cities fill with new hollow sounds, the howling of wind through empty parks and the relentless hum of emergency generators. Humanity scrambles to survive, employing robot pollinators and hydroponic farms. Yet it is a pitiful imitation of life. A beetle on the path is the quiet engine that starts our world. Its stopping is the hand on our clock, inching toward midnight. Food prices skyrocket. Store shelves stand empty. Panic begins. Coffee and chocolate become an unattainable dream, mere memories of a past abundance. Chicks in nests wait silently for food that will never come in their parents' beaks. Frogs fall silent by the shores, vanishing one by one alongside their prey. Without hedgehogs and moles to till it, the soil grows hard as asphalt. Flowers deprived of pollination wither without fruit or seed. Cobwebs, starved of prey, tear in the wind and gather dust, becoming ghostly lace. Bats disappear silently from the twilight sky, their echolocation useless in the void. Rivers slow their flow, suffocating beneath a thick blanket of blue-green algae. Fish washed ashore become a last meal for species that are themselves disappearing. Children are no longer afraid of bees, yet now they have nothing real to point to in their biology textbooks. Farms sink into a silence broken only by the mournful creak of windmills over dead fields. Pests, liberated from natural enemies, briefly celebrate a feast, only to vanish themselves in time. The soil loses its scent of earth. The aroma of life is replaced by the smell of musty paper and dust. Houseplants wither, for even within our homes, the invisible life within the soil has ceased. In sterile laboratories, scientists desperately try to cultivate artificial ecosystems in glass flasks. At night, moths no longer flock to streetlights, and the darkness feels absolute, devoid of life's flicker. Spring arrives without a drone, summer without a chirp, autumn without the rustle of beetles in the leaf litter. The elderly recall the buzzing of June bugs and the glow of fireflies as a long-lost fairy tale. The balance is broken. The world has become fragile as glass and is slowly cracking. We have realized we were never the kings of nature, but merely guests in a vast house built by insects. And all the while, the hands of our clock relentlessly approach midnight, counting down the silence.